Welcome to my channel.
And this is a Learn English podcast.
Hey everyone! Can you watch English movies and understand almost everything? Can you listen to English songs and know all the lyrics? But when it's your turn to speak, your mind goes completely blank. You just freeze. If that sounds like you, you are not alone. It's a very common problem, especially for beginners. But here's the good news. This video is going to fix that. In the next 20 minutes, we're going to discover why this happens, and most importantly, I'll give you 3 simple techniques to help you start speaking today. This is a complete guided practice session, so get ready to speak with me.
So, why does this happen? The reason is simple. Your English knowledge is passive, not active. Think of it like this. Your brain has 2 different knowledge boxes. The first box is for understanding. This is where you store all the words, grammar rules, and phrases you hear and read. Your brain is a fantastic sponge for this kind of information. But the second box is for speaking. To get the information from the first box to the second, you need to build new connections. Speaking is a physical skill, just like playing an instrument or riding a bicycle. You can watch someone ride a bike for hours, but you can't ride it yourself until you start practicing. The good news is, you already have the most important part, the knowledge. Now we just need to activate it. It's not a lack of knowledge, it's a lack of practice.
Now for the fun part. Here are 3 of the most effective techniques to help you go from understanding to speaking.
This is one of my favorite techniques. Shadowing means you listen to someone speak and you try to repeat what they are saying at the exact same time. Don't wait for them to finish. Try to be their shadow. This trains your brain to think and speak at the same time and helps you with rhythm and pronunciation.
Many of you understand English but can't speak it because you try to translate from your first language in your head. This takes too much time. The solution is simple. Start narrating your daily life in your head in English. For example, when you wake up, think, I am waking up. I need to make coffee. The water is boiling. This trains your brain to think directly in English.
To prepare for real conversations, practice answering simple questions out loud. Don't worry about being perfect. Just try to answer. This is how you build confidence. We'll do some of this right now. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's combine all 3 techniques into a simple 5-minute practice session. I want you to speak with me.
Listen to me and try to repeat my words at the same time. I'll speak slowly and clearly. Ready?
The sun is shining today. I am happy. It's a beautiful day. I am going for a walk. The sky is blue and clear. Great job! Remember, it's not about being perfect, just about moving your mouth and training your brain.
Now look around your room. Look at the objects and try to say their names in your head or even out loud. Don't worry about grammar, just speak.
I see a chair. The wall is white. There is a window. I am holding a pen. What about you? What do you see?
Say it out loud.
Now, let's practice answering a few questions. I'll ask, and I want you to answer out loud. Ready? What is your name? How are you today? What is your favorite color? What did you have for breakfast?
Good job! You just spoke English.
You see, speaking is not about being perfect. It's about being understood. Please, stop being afraid of making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. Your goal is to communicate. Don't worry about your accent. Your accent is a part of who you are, and it makes your voice unique. Focus on building confidence. The more you speak, the easier it becomes.
So today we learned that you can understand English, but you can't speak because you haven't given your brain enough active practice. We learned and tried 3 simple techniques: shadowing, thinking in English, and Q&A practice. Your challenge for this week is simple. Practice for just 5 minutes every day. You can re-watch this video and do the practice session with me. In the comments below, tell me, what is the hardest thing for you when speaking English? Your answer helps me create new videos for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next video. Thank you for watching and keep practicing.